the cross all the way, my sins to atone. Then they nailed him to the cross. Great was the pain and the loss. He suffered it all because he loved me. Me, my Savior died on a cross, was crucified. No greater love by mortal man has ever been known. Name, he loves me so. Now I am his, he's mine, I know. He suffered it all because he loved me.
Then they
Carried him away, placed him in a lonely grave. Surely they thought that this would be the end of this man.
but on that
Third and glorious day, God came and rolled a stone away. He rose from the dead because he loved me.
because he loved
Me, my Savior died on a cross, was crucified.